You can see I need to adjust some of the ergonomics on the arm, but it is more or less functioning. I'm going to be building some of my own custom switches, probably even overhauling this entire control mechanism because the pre-bought switches that I got tend to have a tendency to either be on one setting or the other. They don't really have a middle stopping ground, so need to 3D print some of those. And I'm going to be building the other arm and the rest of the suit. Now, how the rest of the suit is going to turn out, it's going to be passive legs and active arms, kind of like the Astartes armor in 40k originally started out in canon, apparently. And I'll be using a similar mechanism that I did with Judd McStud way back that I didn't actually really talk about, but it will just be clever bungee cord work, really, on a metal frame for the legs and these powered arms. And I'll also be strapping a 12-volt battery onto the chest to start out with, one of my little lipos. And from there, I'll try the 40 volts that I was originally going to use to power the legs. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and remember to do your bicep curls. See you next time.